Hello mga kalagan! So, I'm back again for today's video. Ito na yung last day natin sa Cebu Adventure, 2024 Adventure. So, today is the day that the Lord has made. Okay, tama na kanta no? So, muna ni ang Badian Zipline na ito ang sakyan padulong sa Kawasan Falls because today is our canyoneering day, adventure day. And this is the most exciting part sa among adventure sa Cebu. And ayun. So, andito na tayo sa registration. So, by the way, nakapagbayad na kami together with the lahat ng tour guide na kasama namin sa canyoneering and as well as the zipline. So, nag-register na lang kami dyan. And yung sa first part pala guys na pinakita kanina yun, doon tayo sa covered court. Ayan, kung hindi pa tapos ng covered court na yan. We do orientation para doon sa canyoneering activity for the safety na rin and to follow the rules ng mga tour guides for our safety. So each one of us got like one tour guide per person. So medyo madami kami talaga. So like 14 people, like 7 kami and then 7 din yung tour guide namin. Sabi ng kasamang tour guide namin is 1:2, 1 tour guide and 2 guests. So ganun supposedly. But sa case naman, di ko alam kung bakit 1:1 kami. So we're just very lucky lang.
Nag-record ka! Nag-record ka! Cellphone niya, sir. Cellphone niya.
And by the way, special thanks din pala din sa kaibigan ng owner, si Kuya Levy, who introduces us sa local page. So, maybe that's the reason why meron kaming special treatment kasi magkakilala sila nung may-ari. So, once again, thank you so much, Kuya. And, yep, sa lahat po ng gustong mag-book sa kanila, you can contact me so I can also like introduce you to them. And by the way guys, of course, para naman makabunan itong video na ito, magtitigilan tayo ng fun facts. By the way, sumakay tayo sa Badian Zipline. So, yan. By the way, for the information of everyone, this is the second largest or longest zipline sa buong Asia. So, ako din ako nung sinerch ko siya while doing this video. Second pala siya sa pinakamahabang zipline sa buong Asia. Dual cord zipline sa buong Asia. So, nakaka-proud lang, di ba? And sobrang enjoy din doing this activity. So, yeah, we've got two options by the way para makadating ng Kawasan Falls. It's either walk for 45 minutes or do a zipline for less than a minute. But you need to pay for 600 pesos each person. And yeah, nag-zipline na lang kami para mas masaya. And then, it won't took us 45 minutes para makarating dun sa Kawasan Falls. Kasi nga, other than sa oras, yung mga kasama din namin medyo hindi na kayang maglakad ng sobrang layo. And upon arriving dun sa point B, itong zipline, we still need to like walk for 10-15 minutes more. But hindi naman siya delikado or materik kasi may hagdanan na siya. So ayan. So I hope you like this video guys. It's gonna be 12 minutes. So hindi na kasya yung full activity because it lasts like 4 hours. Hiking, jumping the cliff. And I'll make a second video for that one. I hope you like this and I'll see you later. So kung bibilangin talaga natin siya guys, eksaktong 1 minute kami dumating. Like, we leave 5 minutes and 37 seconds dyan sa video and we arrive 6 minutes and 38 seconds. So eksaktong 1 minute talaga siya. So ayan na nga yung sinasabi ko kanina guys, after natin umahon dun sa may zipline, is yung palusong naman na pababang daan papunta dun sa Kawasan Falls. Yung kung saan tayo magsistart ng canyoneering activity natin. So, as what I've said earlier, so, ayun, may pababa siya, pero hindi na siya masyadong sobrang tirik kasi may hagdanan. Tapos, meron din siyang railings, may hawakan. Kaya mas safe siya. And I think it takes us like 10 to 15 minutes walk. Pupunta talaga din sa very start na falls. It depends actually na lang sa mga kasama nyo. Kung mabilis maglakad, siguro kaya nila yun ng 5 to 10 minutes. Ayan. So, nandiyan na tayo sa starting point. Ang ganda talaga.
Welcome to our vlog. Balag. Katigas ang ron. Katigas ang ron. Pinapunan lang. Loh, dugot pa oy.
And here we go. This is our first jump sa buong canyoneering na to. Once again, it lasts for 3 to 4 hours. But in our case, tumagal tayo ng around 4 hours, more than 4 hours because, of course, syempre, kailangan natin i-consider yung mga kasama din natin, yung pace nila sa paglalakad, no? And, alright, there's like 4 jumps in this adventure. And this is our first jump. I guess yung height ng pinagtalunan ko papunta rin sa tubig is around 3 to 5 feet. Parang ganun lang siya. So, ito yung pinakamababa. May mas matataas pa. Tatalunan natin mamaya, no?
화이팅! 원리야. 오케이, 화이팅! 하나, 둘, 셋! 화이팅, 화이팅!
And yung sa mga ayaw din naman tumalon, tumalon sa 5 feet, you can actually just jump there, yung sa bato na yan, yung, yan, bumaba ka sa bato and then saka tumalon. If ayaw mo or takot ka ng heights, so yan, they choose to like jump sa hindi masyadong kataasan kasi nga, medyo takot din sila. Ayan. At kung umabot ka sa video na to until this part, thank you so much once again and for watching, guys. I'll make second part of this canyoneering activity since hindi na po siya magkasya. It's too long. And thank you once again for watching, everyone. I hope you like my videos, and if you like, please give us support, like, share, and also follow natin po sa page natin, Agum ATV, Agum Adventure. And thank you so much once again for watching. God bless you all. Ciao!